I've removed the small that's holding that place here for safety to not let the bushing come up. Put it as well. Going to get the bushing like over here. I'm going to remove the brake light over here, so I'm going to spray WD-40 over here. I'm going to remove this brake light over here, so I'm going to loose here this bolt that's over here, this nut that's over here where I'm pointing my finger. So I'm going to spray WD-40 over there. I think I'm under here my lid a little bit. But I'm more concerned with that bolt over there. With an 18 spinner, I'm going to hold down here. Then I'm going to get my 11 spinner to try to undo that knot that's up high, that's up so I'm now I've removed the lilacs coming from the car. I'm going to remove this over here. There's this metal over here that's holding the this hose that goes into the caliper from not coming off. I'm going to remove it over here. I'm going to use a ply. I think a little ply can do it, but I'm going to use the big one. There it comes off. Going to put it aside. It's there to not let go the hose, or else it'll go down. It's like a retainer. It hold it in place over there. Feel it like on top of this bracket over here. I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to point you back down to the caliper. I'll just crack open it a little bit, like so. I just have to use my hands. I don't have to use any tool. I think I use a spanner 13 to remove it. I'll replace this hose over here too. For now, I'm just going to like move it and put it aside. I'm having a basin underneath to catch all the black oil that's coming out, or the black fluid that's coming out from the hose.